In the world of human-computer interaction, a system's true value isn't just about what it can do. It's about how easily it can be used. Usability is a fundamental concept in HCI. It determines how effective, efficient, and enjoyable a system is for its target audience. When a device or software has high usability, it is effortless to learn and simple to master. To achieve this, designers rely on 5 core components. Let's look at each one. First up is learnability. This measures how easy it is for brand new users to complete basic tasks the very first time they interact with the system. A highly learnable system allows people to grasp workflows instantly without requiring extensive user manuals or training. This is absolutely critical for platforms meant for a broad audience with varying technical skills. For example, a great mobile banking app uses onboarding tutorials or intuitive interactive guides, ensuring users feel confident from their very first swipe. Second, we have efficiency. Once your users have learned how to interact with your system, how quickly can they execute their goals? High efficiency means enabling users to finish complex tasks with minimal time and cognitive effort. Think of a professional graphic designer working in advanced editing software. To support them, the interface must offer robust shortcut keys, customizable toolbars, and highly responsive tools that let them work with maximum speed and precision. Third is memorability. This focuses on how easily users can remember how to operate a system after being away from it for a long period. High memorability ensures that intermittent users can log back in months later without needing to completely relearn the interface from scratch. Take an online tax filing website, which someone might only visit once a year. By using highly consistent design patterns, clear labeling, and a perfectly logical flow of steps, returning users can instantly recall how to fill out information and submit forms safely. Fourth is error handling. Mistakes happen, but a great system is built to handle them. Good error handling is about a system's ability to prevent user mistakes before they occur, clearly guide users on how to correct them when they do happen, and make recovery completely painless. For instance, in an online ticket booking system, instead of crashing or letting a user submit broken data, the interface highlights problematic text fields in red, gives clear error explanations, and offers helpful autofill suggestions or drop-down calendars to keep interactions smooth. Finally, we have satisfaction. This is the subjective, qualitative side of usability. It asks a simple question: how comfortable, pleasant, and positive do users feel while interacting with your interface? When users find a system deeply satisfying, frustration drops, and they develop long-term trust in the product. By optimizing learnability, driving efficiency, reinforcing memorability, mastering error handling, and delivering pure user satisfaction, you create interfaces that stand the test of time. Which of these 5 pillars do you prioritize most when choosing an app? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to take your system design knowledge to the next level.